Hi Giants family, how you doing? Scott Lignall. It is November 11th, 2012, or November 12th, 2012. Happy Veterans Day to all those served. Go USA. And here we go. Who still believes in Eli? I do. Front and back. And there you go. Number one. Number two, Phil Simms, still a believer. All the Giants are. Number three, Lawrence Taylor, big hero of mine right here and back. Ray Rice, number 27 at Rutgers. Go Rutgers. As I said, the Super Bowl that changed my life. There's a score, and there you go. And also, you all know why I'm a fan of the Flyers, another team. Even though we'll see them probably next year. Oh yeah, some pictures that you may see for the WWE right here. That's me wrestling as I showed. Me playing baseball right there. Me Little League. And this is my family, as you see right there. That was my older brother, WWE, and I showed you him with your own. And here is another photo of me. And that is it. That concludes my theory that I survived, and on my own, may I add. And it took a lot of my time to do, clear my name, and still nothing has been done, Twitter. So, but anyways, hope you all have a great night, great week. It was great meeting you. Peace out, and rock on.